that, just remove this one and then remove this one, and then the last is remove the tire. Okay,
And that clean, see?
we'll just wipe this one.
Just yeah. Yeah, that's all right. You see, because it's not flat all the way, the dust doesn't accumulate. So
okay, and wipe this one too.
now, grab the can of spray there on the. We won't be coming back here in my lifetime, so. Oh God. You had it done up and then you undid it.
More.
Yeah, don't put your finger in there until it's bloody right. Now, can you see? Now,
That way, okay. You do it, because you...
I mean, just do it up for God's sake. Look, it's simple. You're going backwards, my love.
Okay.
That's... Now, it can't fall off now because it's on the flange.
Alright.
And it's got one nut in it, see?
Alright. This video is upside down.
Darling? Don't know?
I'm talking to the camera.
Oh, okay, camera. You got to put a socket on there first. Or you just have a pretend one. Oh shit. Yeah. And don't go brrr too hard. Just go a little bit up until it's firm. Okay, go on, give it a rattle. Okay,
rattle.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't overdo it, darling. That's enough. Now, the way you had it was right, see? Okay.
Okay, that's it. Ding ding for now. Upside down. Okay. Let's remove this thing here. Okay, you need to slowly. Which way?
The usual, they undo it, you go anti-clockwise. How bloody are you doing now? You just got to think, I'll do it exactly the opposite to what I would normally do it, and you'll be right. That's enough.
Enough?
Yeah, now tighten it back up. Don't leave it. Don't. Do the valve. Do the valve back up. You always got to do things up, love.
Okay.
All right.
That's a real ding ding.